The most important point is that internal orders. Okay, how the internal orders will be. That is the most important topic. And I will show you all of you when it comes to the FB50, FB60, FB70, anything, or else go to the FB50, ma'am. I will show you one thing. Go to the FB50 transaction code. Drag it to the right side, ma'am. Here you have the cost center, you have the profit center, and you have the internal orders. Okay, order is nothing but the internal orders, all of you. After the cost center, you have the order. Okay, what is this order? So that is particularly related to the internal order. Okay, so that is very, very important when it comes to the internal orders. I will explain you about the internal orders and all of you. Okay, the configuration also I will going to show you. You don't need to worry about that thing. I will going to show you how the internal orders will going to work and all. So before that, internal orders are very, very important, all of you. Okay. I need to explain about the internal orders. It is very, very important in interview, all of you. Okay. Okay, right. Go to the Word document, ma'am. I will just give you the internal orders things in all. Take out the separate concept, that is internal order. Take out the separate concept, that is internal order. Take out the separate concept, that is internal order. All of you give me some time. Okay, I will try to close the internal orders and all. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, we will start the product costing. It will going to take minimum 3 or 4 days product costing also. So that is why we are lagging, right? And we do have LSMW, say IDOC and BAPI and BDC, batch data communication details and all. IDOC methods we have. Okay, so based on that IDOC methods also we need to do it. LTMC we have. So a lot of concepts we have. And we need to cover each and everything, right? So for that, so I'm taking, I mean, your leisure time. Okay, right. When it comes to the internal orders, basically, you can just write down, ma'am. Internal orders are used to manage small projects. Internal orders are used to manage small projects. Internal orders are used to manage. Internal orders are used to manage small projects. Internal orders are used to manage small projects. Okay, so basically all of you, you can set budget. I mean, for this internal orders, you can set budget, post actual, and do expenditure analysis for these small projects. Okay. You can just write down, ma'am. You can set budget. Come on, you can set budget. The internal order is very, very important for the small projects, all of you. Okay. I will just give you the clarity on all these things. Don't worry. You can just you can set budget. You can set budget and post actual and do expenditure analysis for these small projects. And do expenditure analysis and do expenditure analysis for these small projects. Do expenditure analysis for these small projects. Next point is internal orders can be used. Internal orders. Second point is internal orders can be used. Internal orders can be used. Internal orders can be used to manage expenditure. To manage expenditure on trades, electricity, raw materials, on trades, electricity, raw materials, exhibitions. Exhibition is not that, I mean outside exhibitions. It is related to the planned exhibitions. Raw materials, exhibitions. EXHIBATIONS. Okay, so all of you, this is very important. There are two types of internal orders. Third point is there are two types of internal orders. There are two types of internal orders. There are two types of internal orders. One is real, another one is statistical. In interview, they will going to ask you these types of questions, all of you. So just remember, one is real, another one is statistical. One is real, another one is statistical. Okay, so I just give you the explanation, and whatever the thoughts that you have on the real and statistical orders after completion of this class. So you can just revise that particular thing and write down the points. Okay, and real orders are temporary buckets for accumulating costs, all of you. Basically, these are required when there is need to reclassify expenses. Okay, real orders are required when there is a need to reclassify expenses. This process is called settlement. Okay, you can just write down, ma'am. You can just write down under this A point, I mean real orders. Just write down. Real orders are temporary buckets. Real orders are real orders are temporary buckets. Real orders are temporary buckets for accumulating costs. Real orders are temporary buckets for accumulating costs. Temporary buckets for accumulating costs. Then these are required. These are required when there is a need. These are required when there is a need to reclassify expenses. These are required when there is a need to reclassify expenses. To reclassify expenses. To reclassify expenses. And this process is called settlement. This process is called settlement. You got my point, right, all of you? So costs are accumulated in an internal order, then settled to other cost centers or general ledger accounts or projects. That's it, basically. Okay, so then next, when it comes to the statistical, simple all of you. For existing projects like large projects and all, we use the cost centers. Okay, so for the small projects, we use the internal orders. Okay, so have you worked on internal orders? So if you know the things, okay, just tell them. If you don't know the things, so we haven't used the internal orders. We have just used the cost objects for identifications of the costers and all. So you just need to say, see for your reference only, okay, and you have to know the internal orders. What is the concept of internal orders and all? Okay, when it comes to the statistical, internal order only gathers information. Internal order only gathers information. Okay, when it comes to the statistical, and comma, there is no need to settle or reclassify costers here. Comma, there is no need to settle. There is no need to settle or reclassify costers here. Okay, the next one, the actual financial postings are actual financial postings are actual financial postings are actual financial postings are assigned to actual financial postings are assigned to legitimate 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 CO receiver legitimate CO receiver such as a single cost center such as a single cost center such as a single cost center. Okay, all of you. So basically, you have the internal order configurations. Okay. Um, yeah, click on the enter mom and make one new heading, internal orders configurations. Internal order configuration. So this is just a small part, all of you. So you can able to do it. Yeah, first configuration is activate order management. Order management is nothing but the internal order management. Activate order management. Activate order management. Activate order management in controlling area using transaction code OKKP. Activate order management in controlling area using transaction code OKKP. Then next one. Next point. No. Make it as new side heading, ma'am. This one internal order configuration is there, right? This is not the separate point. This is just a new side heading. Give space. No. Give space. Ma'am, new side heading means put the cursor before the I. Internal order I is there, right? I. Before I give backspace. Give backspace. Backspace. And make it as a bold one. Internal order configuration. Under this one, so select a one point. And give space here also. Give some space here. That's it. Okay, right. So the next second point is define order type. Second point is define order type. Define order type. Or else you do one thing, copy from activate order management to order type. Copy first to second point. Here go up. There is a 1, 2 buttons are there, right? No, ma'am. Come down. Internal order configurations is there, right? Copy from 1 to 2. Copy from 1 to 2. Ma'am, copy it, ma'am. 1 to 2. Go up. Go up. So buttons are there, right? No, not the go up. Buttons. 1 button, 2 buttons are there, right? Open that one bullets. Not the bullets, open the points. Open the points. Next one. Open the points. Next one only. Take out first point or second. Here first, second. Yes, that's it. Good. So define order type using transaction code. KOT2 underscore KOT2 T for toy. KOT2 second underscore OPA underscore OPA. Yes. So the next third point is remove this first point and second point. No. Here. Before the A, remove the next third point is internal order space category 1 internal order space, that is category space hyphen space 01. Give hyphen 01. Then next fourth one is model order. Internal order is there, model order is there. Fourth one is model order. Internal order is the one thing, model order is the one thing, accrual orders is also one thing. So model order category 02. Model order category 02. Give space between hyphen and no. The next fifth point is accrual order. So we have, it is not about the internal order, all of you. You have the model order, you have the accrual orders, but most probably 99% of the clients, they just use the internal orders. Okay, that is very, very important. Give hyphen, category is 2. Category is, no. Remove the hyphen, just give the category 02. Basically for the accrual order, we take the category is 02. Sorry, yeah, 02. For the model order, we take the category as 03. Remove the 02, just give the 03. No. Go up. For the fourth point, category is 03, not 2. Okay. So the next point is maintain number ranges for orders, KONK. Maintain number ranges for orders. Maintain number ranges for internal orders. Any orders like accrual orders, model orders you have. Maintain number ranges for orders using transaction code KO NK. KO NK. So it is not particularly related to the internal orders. It is related to the accrual orders and model orders and all. Okay. Okay, the next create a model order. Create model order. Next configuration is create model order. You have the navigation path. Create model order. You have the navigation path. Create model order. You have the navigation path. I will show you the navigation path. Don't worry. The next one, assign model order to order type. Next configuration is assign model order to order type using transaction code. Assign model order to order type using transaction code KOT2 underscore OPA. Same thing. KOT2 underscore OPA. Okay, I mean in the KOT2 underscore OPA, you can able to have number of things, all of you. No need to worry about that. Okay. Then next one, all of you. Ninth point is create internal order. Create internal order. Internal order type is different, all of you. Internal order is different. Okay. Create internal order using transaction code KO01. Create internal order using transaction code KO01. Then next, maintain budget for in real time. We can call it as internal order business process, all of you, like create internal order, maintain budget for internal order. Okay, maintain budget for internal order. Maintain budget for internal order. Maintain budget for internal order using transaction code KO22. KO22. Then next, so cost element planning for internal order. Cost element planning for internal order. Cost element planning for internal order. KPF6. 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 Then next, 12th point is post actual expenses to internal order. Post actual expenses. You know it very well, right, all of you? So how the actual expenses will be. Okay, post actual expenses. Post actual expenses to internal order. How we can able to post the actual expenses to internal orders? Okay, I will show you. Post actual expenses to internal order using transaction code FP50. Anything, all of you. That is your choice. Post actual expenses to internal orders. FP50. See, all of you, whatever the cost objects allocations that you have, okay, you are doing it in the FP50 with the help of cost centers only, right? So with the help of internal orders also, you can able to capture the cost objects. So that is the very, important choice for the small projects. Okay, so then next, verify actuals in internal orders. Verify verify actuals in internal orders. Verify actuals in internal orders. Verify actuals in internal orders using transaction code KO03. Using transaction code KO03. And you can able to create the PO with the help of internal orders, all of you. 14th step is create purchase order for internal order. Create PO for internal order. See, I'm just giving you the explanation. It is not at all important to create anything. Okay, I mean, when it comes to the creating PO, so whatever the assignments that you have, how you are assigning the conditions, things and all. So P2P end users will be there, right? or else record to report end users will be there. So what they will do is, so when they are raising the purchase orders and all, automatically this internal order will be applied. Why? Because it's a cost object, right? So that's why you need to assign it without having any cost centers and all. So create PO for internal orders using transaction code ME21N. ME21N. Then next one. 15th step is now verify commitment for internal order. Now verify commitment for internal order. Now verify commitment for internal order. Now verify commitment for internal order S_ALR_ using transaction code S_ALR_ 870-13019. 870-13019. Okay, then next, how you can able to do the internal order settlement? Okay, suppose all of you have posted the FB50 actual cost assignment. Through internal orders, you can able to post the planned fixed costs and all. Based on that planned fixed costs and all, how you can able to settle the internal order settlement for this particular cost objects. Okay, so next step is internal order settlement. Internal order settlement using transaction code KO88. KO88. See, all of you, if you are doing with the FB50 direct allocations and all, you no need to settle anything directly. You can able to get it. Okay, so for your business process only, I mean, if it is not related to the cost objects, I mean, if you are not doing with any cost objects and all, if you are only doing with the internal orders, then you should follow the process. You should follow this business process from create internal order to internal orders settlements and all. Or else after eighth point, you can just write down first another point, no? Internal orders business process. Internal order business process. This is the way you can able to do it, all of you. Internal order business process. Okay, make it as a bold one. Then next 17th point is make it as a bold one. Come to the second 17th point. Internal order report. 17th point is internal order report using transaction code KO003. Internal order report. Internal order report. Internal order report. Internal order report using transaction code. Internal order report using transaction code KO03. Internal order report using transaction code KO03. Internal order report using transaction code KO03. The next actual next point is 18th step is actual or plan. Actual or plan. Actual or plan or variance. Or variance. Use transaction code. I mean, for internal orders, I'm telling you all of you. In interview point, they will just ask you these questions. Actual, plan or variance using transaction code S underscore ALR underscore S underscore ALR underscore S underscore ALR underscore 870 12993 12993. If it is a budget actual commitment, all of you, what is the transaction 870-13019? I think so. I have already given you that particular thing. Verify commitment for internal orders and all. Okay, so that is related to the budget or actual or commitment. Okay, so that is very, very important, all of you. Yeah, so go to the SAP system now. Go to the SAP system. Go to the SAP system. Go to the transaction code OKKS and set up the controlling area. I mean, MEL2 is our controlling area, right? If it is changed, we can able to set up. Otherwise, yeah, go to the save button. Controlling area is MEL2. So the next one is activate order management in controlling area. The first configuration step is that one only, right? Go to the transaction code OKKP. Go to the transaction code OKKP. Same thing, all of you. So go to the position. Go to the position and I give MEL2 and go to the activate component or control. Yes. So here, all of you, this order management is in activate mode. Okay, so we have already activated. If it is not activated, so just try to activate this thing. Okay, give /n. Give /n. So next configuration step is define order type, internal order type, that is using transaction code KOT2 underscore OPA. KOT2 underscore OPA. That's it. Click on the enter. Yeah, see, all of you. So this is the order type, all of you, and we can able to create this order type. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries. And you can just give your name. MAIO. MAIO. Go to the new entries. Order category. What is the order category that we need to take? Internal order only in the controlling. Yeah, take out the internal order. Continue. So order type is, all of you, MAIO. That is your name with the internal order. So that is MAL2 internal order. Description is MAL2 internal order. MAL2 internal order. So we haven't assigned any internal order number range assignments, right, all of you? For that particular thing. What we need to do is you do one thing, go to the new screen, go to the transaction code KONK, go to the transaction code KONK. For this internal orders, we will going to try to take out the number ranges and all. Yes. So go to the intervals. Or else come back. Or else come back. Go to the edit groups. Go to the edit groups. So here you have go to the create option. Go to the create option. So just give the group as. We have to take out the group. MAL2 internal order. Just take out MAL2 internal order. MAL2 internal order. Number range object is 4. Write down, ma'am. 4 000 0022. No. Don't give 04. 4 4 000 00. Ma'am, give 4 000. One more 0. It is not giving a. Okay. Don't give any number ranges. In the from number, just give from number. 4 000 0022. 4 000 0022. Then next two number is 4 000 2222. 4 000 2222. Click on the enter. Yeah, so your number range is 23. It is taking. Go to the save button and save it. Continue. So this data was saved. See, I'm just taking the random number, all of you. Okay. And come back, or else go to the next entry, and we will going to create the one more order. And take out the next entry. Come back, or else come back. No issue. Yes. Go to the create option. Go to the create option, and we will try to create model order. Okay, MAL2 model order. MAL2 model order. From number is 5 000 0022. 5 000 0022 and 5 000 2222. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Now what we need to do is, all of you, we have the number range intervals. Number range intervals will be save the details. Come back to that particular screen, ma'am. Come back to that particular screen. Here number assignment. Go to the number assignment. Number assignment is there, right? Number range intervals. Go to the number range intervals. Okay, what we need to do is planning profile is general. Okay, try to take out the planning profile. Go up. Planning profile is there, right? Yes, planning profile. Go to the drop down option. General plan profile. Yes. The next one is object classes. This is overhead costs. Take out the overhead costs. And then next, this is for the 6 months, all of you. Residence time 1 is 6 months. Residence time 2 is 6 months. I'm just giving the 6 months, and they will going to take out the 12 months and all. I'm just taking the 6 months. And here release immediately. Sorry, status profile is internal orders. Status profile is internal orders. Yes, and release immediately. Tick mark on the release immediately. And CO partner update is semi-activate, all of you. That's fine. Okay, when it comes to this thing. And now go to the number range interval. Go to the number range interval. Now go to the assignment. Go to the edit option. Yes, save, change the first. Yes. Go to the continue option. Now, for this thing, drag it to the downside, ma'am. So we have 23 we have created, right? 23 we have created, 24 we have created. MAL2 model order. What is the MAL1 internal order, ma'am? Right to the downside. Go up. You haven't saved the internal order. Again. No. MAL2 model order is there. MAL2 internal order is not there. Okay, come back. Oh, sorry. What we need to do is, yeah, come back. No issue. Create one more thing, ma'am. Here, create one more thing. Go to the next entry. Here only. Go to the next entry. We will assign the orders. Next entry. Take out the next entry. So here order type is. We will assign it. Don't worry. We will assign that. Order type is MAMO. MAMO. That is model order. MAL2 model order. MAL2 model order. Model order. Okay, so here when it comes to the general parameters, we don't have any settlement profiles, and object classes, yeah, object classes, overhead costs, and residential things is residential time is 6, and residential time is 6. No. Don't give anything. And this is order category is, this is not internal order. This is model order. Go up, order category is there, right? Order category, ma'am. Order type, after order type, you have order category is there, right? Take out the model order control. Click on the enter. So we have this thing, right? Okay, that's fine. So what we need to do is go to the save button and save it. Yeah, number range is not processed, so we will process it. Yeah, continue. No issue. Okay, so now go to the transaction code KYNK, same thing, or else give slash in here, give slash in here. So we have created 24 MAL2. Internal order have you created, ma'am? You haven't created. Okay, so save these details. Save these details. Go to the next entry. Come back or else. Go to the create option. So give MAL1, sorry, MAL2 internal order. MAL2 internal order. MAL2 internal order. From number is 40000022. Two number is. Click on the enter, save the details. Intervals overlap. Huh? Okay, what we need to do is change it to the 6. Remove the 4, just give 6. Remove the 4, just give 6. This one also 6. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save the details. Okay, changes have been saved. Give slash n and go to the transaction code KYNK once again. Go to the transaction code KYNK. Go to the edit groups. Go to the edit groups. Change group. Here, what we need to do is okay, internal order MAL2. Take out the MAL2, select this one and go to the assignment. Go to the assignment. That assignment is there, right? No. This assignment after the create option. Assignment element to group. Select element. Go to the element or group. I mean, assign element or group. Or else Control F. Control F. Give Control F, ma'am. Find out with your group is MAIO. MAIO. Continue. Such not fonts. It's okay. Remove it. Okay, you do one thing. Remove this thing. Go to the transaction code. This one. KOT2 underscore OPA. KOT2 underscore OPA. Yeah, go to the position and take out your order type. MAIO. MAIO. Continue. Double click on this one, ma'am. I mean, double click on this one. MAIO. Go to the internal order number range intervals. Edit number range intervals. Drag it to the downside. Number range is locked. Give slash in that. Remove it. Now, here MAIO is there, right? Select this MAIO. Select this MAIO. Go to the assignment. Go to the assignment group. Come down. 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 Complete down. down, complete down. Select this one and go to the assignment. Go to the save button and save it. Come back, one step back. Is it assigned? No, it is not assigned. So go to the edit option. Ma'am, go to the assignment or group. Assign element to group. Drag it to the downside. Take out the internal order. Yes. Double click on it. Okay. So go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. So drag it to the downside. Drag it to the downside for this number intervals. That should be assigned. Okay, MAIO has been assigned. Come back, one step back. One step back. See, this number range interval has been assigned, all of you. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Come back, one step back. Take out the MAL2 model order. Double click on MAL2 model order. Go to the number range interval assignment. So select this MAMO. Select this MAMO. Go to that element assignment. Select to group. I mean this MAMO. Go to the assignment. Ma'am, just select it and go to the assignment. Drag to the downside and take out the group first. 24. Double click on it. Go to the save button and save it. Drag it to the downside. For the 24, it has been assigned. Yes, good. Okay, right, all of you. We need to create the order type. Okay. Next step is to give /n and go to the create the order type. Go to the SPRO reference IMG. SPRO reference IMG. SPRO reference IMG. The next one is controlling. Then next internal orders. You have, right, and order master data. The next one is a screen layout. The next one is define model orders. Okay, so go to the create model orders. Here you have one thing, right? That is MAMO. MAMO. You can able to use the transaction code KOM1. Why? MAMO. What is the thing that you have created? Go to that screen, ma'am. Like KOT2 underscore OPA. Go to the position. Take out anything. MA, MO you have created, right? Okay, come back to this screen. Why it is not giving? MA, MO, click on the enter. Order type MO is not a model order category. It is a model order category only, right? Give /n. Go back to that particular thing. I mean, no. OPA transaction. KOT2 underscore OPA. Double click on it. Okay. Order category is not. So go to the edit option. Go to the edit or display option. Go to the position and take out the MAMO. Double click on MAMO. Remove the order category. It is not a order category, is internal order. Remove this internal order. Here order category is there, right? Change the order category. Ma'am, order type is there, right? MAMO. Under this thing you have order category. Change that one to model order control. Take out that one. Click on the enter. It is not taking, huh? Okay. What we need to do is delete this one. Delete this one. Delete it. Go to the save button and save it. Come back. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries. Yes, and just give order category. Order category is go to the drop down option, that is model order category, that is 03. Continue. Yes, and model order type is MAMO. MAL to model order. The next number assignment, go to the number, go to the object class. Go to the object class, overhead costs, and residence time is 6. Residence time is 6. That's it. Go to the save button and save it. We will assign it. Go to the number range assignment. Go to the number range assignment. Select this MAMO and go to the assignment. Drag to the downside and take out the 24. 24 is there, right? Model order. Go to the save button and save it. That's it. Now it will go into allow you. So go to the SPRO reference IMG. KOM1 is the thing, right? Internal orders, order master data. The next one is define order types. Yeah, define order types only. In that it is used. Screen layout. You have to go to the screen layout. Give /n. Go to the screen layout. Here define the model orders. Define model orders. Define create CO model order. Create CO model order. Now MAMO is there, right? So click on the enter noise. So it will going to take out that thing. Now it is asking, right? Okay, so here what we need to do is MAL2 model order. Just give MAL2 model order and company code you have got it, and plant. So do you have any plant? So if you have any plant, give the plant also MAL2. So everything is interrelated, all of you. So for the internal orders also you can able to interrelated, but in internal orders you can directly give the internal order with the purchase orders only, right? So that is related to the plant. So for the model orders, I am just giving you the information. Okay. So go to the control data. Go to the control data. That's it. Go to the control data. Here, give the currency is INR. If the currency is INR. Go to the save button and save it. That's it. See, all of you, this is the real order. So that's why we are not giving any statistical. Okay, so remove it. Remove it. Now what we need to do is, so we need to assign this model order to order type using transaction code KOT2 underscore OPA. Go to the transaction code KOT2 underscore OPA. So that is for the internal order, all of you. Okay. So for the plan details, any plan details that we have, it will be reflected in this internal orders. And okay, that is just for your identification purpose only. I'm just creating. Most probably we use the internal orders on. Okay, so here we need to go to the details. In that particular details, all of you, when it comes to the model order, okay, here you have the model order, right? No, ma'am, come back. This is just for the object class, overhead costs and all. Double click on internal orders. Double click on internal order. In that internal order, you have the model order. We are just having the connectivity. Come down, you have the model order, right? After object class, you have model order, right? That is the model order. So you need to assign the model order. So what is the number that we have generated for the model order? Yeah, go to the model order. Give the controlling area. Yes. So take out this one. So we have generated this model order, all of you. So that is very, very important. And go to the save button and save it. Then next one. Okay, all of you. So I will try to end up this session. Why? Because lagging. Okay. So tomorrow we will try to create the budget profile, and I will explain you about the budget profile and why we need to use the budget profile for the order type like internal orders and all, how we can able to create the tolerance limits for availability controls and all, and how we can specify the exempt cost elements or expenses for availability controls and all, and how you can able to set up the availability controls and all. Okay, you will tomorrow you will going to see the budget profiles and all. Okay, so without having budget profile, how you can able to do the cost estimations and all. Okay, so that is very, very important when it comes to the internal order. You don't need to worry about all these things. Okay, so just please focus on cost object, controlling object, I mean cost objects and internal objects. Internal object is nothing but the internal orders. Okay, all of you, for the small projects, we just use the internal orders. That means it will also having the cost objects, how the cost is incurring, okay, and how the cost is occurring. Also, that is very, very important. So based on all these details, we can able to see the plain solutions without using the cost centers and all. Okay, I will show you in the FB50 transaction code. We will take out the cost center with the help of internal orders. Okay, so with that help of internal order, how the changes will be happened. Okay, is it directly taking the reporting or else the internal reporting is separate? I mean, internal reporting is generating separately. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain you about the create budget profiles and all. Okay, so if you are not getting any clarity, all of you, so just revise that particular thing and go to the Google. Okay, just revise about the internal orders, model orders. Okay, why we are connecting model orders to the internal orders and all. Okay, so just revise all these things in a brief mode. Then you can able to get it. Okay, all of you.